Hello dears. Very good morning to all of you. Have a nice day. How do you do? Hope you are all doing good. This is our EVS class for grade 1. Today we are going to see the part 2 of lesson 10. Tell me, what is the lesson 10? Our neighborhood. Yes, our neighborhood. Before entering today's class, we are going to have the recap of the previous class. Tell me, what we have studied in the previous class? Yes, it is about neighborhood, neighbors and neighborhood services. Isn't it? Yes. Some of the neighborhood services, what we have discussed in the previous class? Yes. School, then bank, post office, hospital, then park, fire station, like that we have discussed in the previous class. Yes. Today I am going to show you some of the items and you should tell me from where you can buy those items. Okay. There are many shops in the market. Isn't it? There are many shops in the market. So, what are these? These are vegetables. These are vegetables. Tell me, from where can you buy these vegetables? Yes, from the vegetable shop. From the vegetable shop, we can buy vegetables. And what are these? Here it is a train and it is a bat. So these are toys. These are toys. From where can you buy these toys? Yes, from toy shop. Yes. Similarly, what are these? These are medicines. These are medicines. From where can you buy these medicines? Yes, you are right. From the chemist shop. From the chemist shop. And what are these? These are books. You know that, isn't it? Books. From where can you buy these books? From bookshop. Yes. And what are these items? Like bread, cookies. From where can you buy these items? From the bakery shop. Yes, children, very good. You have answered correctly for all my questions. Yes. See, there are many people in our neighborhood who help us to keep our neighborhood safe and clean. Shall we see who are they? Yes. Who is this man wearing a uniform? Who is this? He is a policeman. Yes, policeman protecting the people by preventing the crimes. Policeman catches the thieves and robbers from our neighborhood. Yes. And who is this man having a broom in his hand? Who is this? He is a sweeper. He is a sweeper. So who is a sweeper? Sweeper is a person who cleans a floor or road by sweeping. He is a sweeper. And in this picture, you can see a man holding a can in his hand. Who is it? Who is he? He is a milkman. Yes, he is a milkman. Milkman delivers milk to customers' home directly. Who is this person? Who is this person having a handsaw in his hands? Who is this? He is a carpenter. He is a carpenter. So who is a carpenter? Carpenter is the person who can make things out of wood. Out of wood. Tell me some things that are made up of wood. Tables, chairs, cot, etc. isn't it? Yes. And who is this person? Who is this person holding a water hose in his hands? He is a gardener. Tell me, who is a gardener? Gardener is a person who will take care of the plants, who works in a garden, who grows plants. Okay? Okay. There are many other people in our neighborhood who help us to keep our neighborhood safe and clean. We are going to see about safety rules. Tell me, what do you mean by safety? How do you define safety? Yes, safety means the state of being safe. State of being safe from a risk of danger or a risk of an injury. We must remember some safety rules in our neighborhood. We must follow some safety rules in our neighborhood. First, we are going to see about the safety rules on the road. Safety rules on the road. First one, walk on footpath. Walk on footpath. Second one, cross the road only at zebra crossing. Cross the road only at zebra crossing. Third one, do not lean out of a moving car or bus. Do not lean out of a moving car or bus. Never play on a road. This is the fourth one. Never play on a road. We must follow these safety rules on the road. Okay. See this picture. What this boy is doing? He is walking on footpath. Do you know what is footpath? Yes. Footpath is a path for the people to walk along the side of the road. Okay, along the side of the road. So, you should use footpath while walking. What this boy is doing? He is crossing the road at zebra crossing. Yes, do you know what is zebra crossing? Zebra crossing is an area of the road which is painted with broad white stripes, like that. Broad white stripes. This is the zebra crossing. Okay. If you want to cross the road, use the zebra crossing. Then only the moving vehicles will stop. Okay. What this boy is doing? He is leaning out of his car. So you should not do like this. You should not lean out of a moving vehicle. Okay. And here what these boys are doing? They are playing ball. They are playing a ball on road. Is it good? No. It is very dangerous because moving vehicles may hit you. So you should not do like this. Next we are going to see safety rules at home. What are the safety rules we should follow at home? First one, do not touch electric switches with wet hands. Do not touch electric switches with wet hands. Second one, do not fly kites on the terrace. Do not fly kites on the terrace. Third one, do not play with sharp objects. Do not play with sharp objects. Fourth one, do not play with match boxes. Do not play with match boxes. Yes, now we are going to see the pictures related to them. See what this girl is doing? She is pressing the calling bell with wet hands. See? She is pressing the calling bell with wet hands. It is very dangerous. So you should not touch the electric switches with wet hands. You may experience electric shock. It is very dangerous. So you should not do like this. Okay. And what this boy is doing? He is flying kites. But he is on the terrace. Isn't it? So flying kites on the terrace is also very dangerous. You may fall down from the terrace. So you should not do like this. And what this girl is doing? She is having a blade in her hand. Okay, and see here, it seems she cut her fingers and it is bleeding. Can you see this? So, you should not play with these sharp objects. Okay, it is also danger. You must have safety in there. And in this picture, you can see this girl is having matchbox. So, you should not play with matchboxes. Okay, so these are some of the safety rules you should follow at home. This is your assignment. Read and write the safety rules on the road one time. Okay, children. Hope you understand this lesson, our neighborhood. Yes, children. We'll meet you in the next class. Thank you.